Welcome back to English Quiz by Levels. Are you ready to boost your English skills? Today, we've got an exciting vocabulary test all about collective nouns and unit nouns. This quiz is designed for everyone, from beginners to advanced learners. So, no matter your level, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the test, let's quickly go over what collective nouns and unit nouns are. Trust me, it's going to make the quiz even more fun and meaningful. Let me ask you a question. What do you call a group of lions? A. Pride. B. Herd. C. Pack. Yes, it's a pride of lions. And what about this? How do you describe a single piece of bread? A. Slice. B. Loaf. C. Cut. Correct, it's a slice of bread. Now, what do these have in common? They're called collective nouns and unit nouns. These are special words we use to group things together or describe smaller parts of a whole. Cool, right? So, what exactly are collective and unit nouns? Let me break it down for you. A collective noun refers to a group of people, animals, or things, like a flock of birds or a team of players. A unit noun helps us count or measure things, especially uncountable stuff, like a glass of water or a slice of cake. They're like the labels that keep our world organized. Imagine the chaos if we didn't have them. Now that we know what collective nouns and unit nouns are, let's jump into the quiz. Here's how it works. 1. Questions and levels. The quiz has 30 questions, divided into 3 levels. Basic, 10 questions. Intermediate, 10 questions. Advanced, 10 questions. Time limit. You'll have 10 seconds to answer each question. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video, no pressure. 3. Answers and scoring. At the end of the video, I'll reveal all the correct answers. Be sure to share your score in the comments below. Let's find out how well you did. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. She drank A of milk. A. Bottle. B. Slice. C. Drop. D. Loaf. Question 2. He enjoyed a of tea in the morning. A. Bunch. B. Glass. C. Cup. Piece. Question 3. She bought a of grapes at the market. A. Pear. B. String. C. Bunch. D. Pack. Question 4. Can you pour me a of water, please? A. Loaf. B. Glass. C. Can. D. Sheet. Number 5. He gave me a of paper to write on. A. Sheet. B. Slice. C. Bunch. D. Loaf. Question 6. Add A of sugar to the tea. A. Drop. B. Cube. C. Scoop. D. Piece. Question 7. She added A of honey to the recipe. A. Dollop. B. Loaf. C. Glass. D. Bar. Question 8. He ate a of chocolate after lunch. A. Bar. B. Stick. C. Pear. D. Set. Question 9. They bought a of eggs. A. Carton. B. Pack. C. Dozen. D. All of the above. Question 10. He picked a of bananas from the tree. A. Piece. B. Bunch. C. Stack. D. Slice. Question 11. We moved a furniture into the new house. A. Piece. B. Pack. C. Bunch. D. Stack. Question 12. They bought a of cheese for the party. A. Bunch. B. Block. C. Bar. D. Stick. Question 13. The doctor prescribed a of medicine for her cough. A. Shred. B. Set. C. Portion. D. Dose. Question 14. There is a of garlic in the recipe. A. Pinch. B. Clove. C. Cup. D. Bar. Question 15. There isn't a single of grass in the desert. A. Stick. B. Chunk. C. Bundle. D. Blade. Question 16. He found a of sand in his shoes after the hike. A. Part. B. Drop. C. Grain. D. Lump. Question 17. I saw a birds flying in the sky. A. Herd. B. Colony. C. Flock. D. Team. Question 18. The candle left a thin of smoke as it burned out. A. Trail. B. Gust. C. Bolt. D. Ray. Question 19. A sudden of wind blew her hat off. A. Puff. B. Ray. C. Speck. D. Gust. Question 20. The artist added a of color to brighten the painting. A. Splash. B. Stroke. C. Strike. D. Trail. Question 21. Winning the lottery was of luck for him, a chance, B stroke, C strike, D dash. Question 22. She found of evidence that proved her theory was correct. A. Stroke, B. Shred, C. Streak, D. Hint. Question 23. Despite his confident demeanor, there was of doubt in his voice. A. Shred, B. Ray, C. Shadow, D. Speck. Question 24. The movie's ending brought of sadness to an otherwise happy story. A. Trail, B. Ray, C. Hint, D. Shred. Question 25. His kindness offered of relief during the difficult time. A. Shadow, B. Blade, C. Peace, D. Touch. Question 26. As the sun set, of bats emerged from the cave and flew into the night sky. A. Fleet, B. Colony, C. League, D. Herd. Question 27. Though exaggerated, there was of truth in his accusations. A. Bit, B. Shard, C. Chunk, D. Grain. Question 28a. Of inspiration hit her, and she immediately knew how to begin the project. A. Flash, B. Moment, C. Minute, D. Stroke. Question 29. He spoke confidently, but there was of guilt in his voice. A. Little, B. Hint, C. Trace, D. Spark. Question 30. A. Of ships gathered near the harbor to celebrate the national holiday. A. School, B. Squadron, C. Convoy, D. Flotilla. Great job, everyone! If you're watching this, that means you've made it to the end of the test, and that's already a big achievement. Now let's go over the answers and see how you did. If you need a detailed explanation for this test, please let us know in the comment. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback too. What did you find easy, and what would you like to see more of in future quizzes? Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future quizzes. Until next time, take Take care and keep learning.